Hi, very good evening. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Amrut Nagar, that is Batranpura, very close to Hebbal, near Sahakar Nagar, in Sahakar Nagar Post, Amruta Halli Police Station, walkable distance. So there is a beautiful German architect bungalow for sale. So talking about the distance, it is just 850 meters from Airport Road, that is Bellary Road, and 200 meters from Amruthalli Police Station, 250 meters from Amrut Nagar Road, and Dasarhalli Main Road is 400 meters. So location wise it is very prime, and right behind or next to Brigade Caladium and surroundings you have RMZ Azure, Godrej Platinum, Godrej Woodsman, RMZ Latitude, L&T Raintree Bolward, GKVK you have in the surroundings. So and a little bit closer surroundings you have Manyata Tech Park, then Hebbal, and many other surroundings is very closer by. Yelahanka and airport is just 25 minutes drive, and this is just 800 meters from Airport Road, Bellary Road. Surroundings you have Amruthalli, Sahakar Nagar, GKVK, Jakkur, Hebbal, and Manyata Tech Park surroundings. So this building is built on 30/50. It is 30 frontage and depth is 50. South facing with east facing main door. So basement you have home theater. Then here you have a small servants room with storage area. Then behind you have a washing area. Then in the ground floor you have living area, kitchen, utility area. Then one guest room with common washroom. First floor you have one master bedroom with utility area and balcony. Then second floor another bedroom, and third floor another bedroom with attached balcony and washroom. So total 4 bedrooms, 3 are master and 1 is guest bedroom. And ground inside you have home theater in basement. So let's go inside and have a look. So here you have a parking area, easily 2 cars, there is 2 Innovas easily can be parked. It is very spacious parking. So total gas system you have, there is pipeline gas system. So here you have storage area where you have gas cylinder pipelining, then UPS room and all, and this is servants room. And from here behind you have washing area. So let's go inside and have a look. So all round setbacks you have, and safety grills. It's very secure all the way. You can see grills all round in the surroundings. So here you have a washing area, then borewell, and this is water sump. Total grills with CCTV coverage. Here small setback. You can see CCTV here. All round, all total surroundings you have CCTV. So this is washing area. Total safety grills. So total CCTV camera coverage. And you have Galaxy granite on the staircase. Total grills with secured entry. So it's a pure German architect design. So it's east facing door. You have toughened glass on the top, sunroofing. It's a modern architect, German architect design. All round you have ventilation. So let's go inside and have a look. So it's a double roofing. Beautiful architect. Ultra luxury design with German architect. So this side you have a living area. Then on the right hand side you have puja room. That side you have a gardening area. So this side you can do garden. And right side you have puja room. Living area, puja room. Then basement. This route which goes to home theater or entertainment area. And on the left hand side you have common washroom, dining area, then guest room, kitchen, utility area. Then this side you have on the first floor washing area or utility again for washing machine placement and for utility usage. Then on the left hand side you have one master bedroom with attached washroom, dressing area and balcony. Then on the second floor you have master bedroom with attached washroom and dressing area. And on the third floor same you have master bedroom with attached washroom and dressing area and balcony. So everything is overlooking at living area. You can see you have toughened glasses for all the three master bedrooms. So everyone are easily connected. So all the fixed fixtures will be there, like sofa set, then beds which are fixed. So this is living area, double roofing you have, and this side you can use as a garden area as per your requirement. You have small sunroofing here, and this is puja room. Even in puja room you have sunroofing. So it's a pure German architect, and here Italian marble has been used. You can see the colors which are matching, all the similar matching colors. So this is dining area, and this side you have common washroom, hand wash area. So this is common washroom. So toilet fittings are Toto and Hans Graffe, with tiles are Khajaria. So all top end fittings. So here you have guest room. So this is guest bedroom on the ground floor. So you have good ventilation. Even here you have window. Even here you have window. So here you have wardrobe and TV cabinet. So this is kitchen. And you have dry kitchen, and this is wet kitchen. So utility wet kitchen area. So in basement you have home theater. So this side you have parking area, and there is home theater. It can be used as entertainment area as per your requirement. It has not been furnished. So left side you can make a bar counter. So it's a huge entertainment or home theater area. So let's go to the first floor and have a look. So this staircase is of metal, wood and hardwood. Bison wood. You can see down you have wood, and above you have bison wood, and middle you have metal. It has been certified by structural engineers. And here you have utility area. So they have placed a washing machine here. Total grill work has been done for safety purpose. So this is on first floor. You have utility area and one master bedroom. Total French windows you have, and from all round you have very good ventilation. Even there you have French windows. Even all the ends, even this side you have French windows. This side you can see. So this is first master bedroom on first floor. So here you have total balcony with glass windows, that is UPVC glass windows, sliding doors, and this side you have toughened glasses. One wall is total of toughened glasses, so that it is been connected with living area. So here you have dressing area and washroom. So this is dressing area. So even here you have ventilation, that is sunlight, and this is washroom, and this is attached washroom with Toto and Khajaria. Total German architect design. So this can be wet area. That is for shower. You can form partition, and this is dry area, and this is dressing area. You have total cupboards. So here you have a balcony which is having double height ceiling. So here easily garden area can be used, like you can place gardening. So it is a double roof, and this is other bedrooms balcony. And here again painting has to be done. So polishing of this woods. These are wood boxes. So it is total German architect. You have spotlights also here. So this is first master bedroom on first floor. So this is second master bedroom, and that is third master bedroom. And above you have sunroofing. So this is second master bedroom. Study table. Then you have toughened glass wall, so everyone are connected easily. And you have this board for writing, practicing. So you can see windows this side and then that side. So very good ventilation. So this is dressing area. Even here you have sunroofing. This is cupboard. And this is washroom. So this is dry area, that is wet area. You can use partition. And total Toto Hans Grafe fittings with this is Khajaria tiles. All high-end fittings has been done for all the toilets. German architect. So this is second master bedroom on second floor. So if you see from here, entrance, kitchen, living area, puja room, then down you have entertainment and home theater, then another guest room down, then this is first master bedroom, second master bedroom, and third master bedroom. So from here you can see the whole house view. So this is third master bedroom. You can see there is a toughened glass wall for all the 3 bedrooms. So this is the third master bedroom with balcony and dressing area and washroom. So wooden flooring, and here it is tiles in dressing room, and this is the balcony. So you have glass balcony, which is very unique, toughened glass and very strong. So this was first floor's balcony. And total windows, you can see it is French windows, and total door you have of glass, so that very good sunlight comes. And this side you have dressing area and washroom. Even here you have window and sunlight, good ventilation. So this color and this color is matching. So again, even here you have Kajaria tiles, Toto sanitary, and plumbing and all you have of Hans Grafe. So even here you have wet area, dry area separately. It can be separated by partition if you need. So this is third master bedroom. So from here you have a terrace area, and it is totally grilled. Safety grills is there, and even height of this is good. It is very secure. So these are all sunroofing which you had seen. This is on staircase side which you had seen. So here you have solar, water tank, and water softener. So talking about the building, it is built on 3050, that is south facing with east facing door in Amrut Nagar. It is a 4 BHK triplex house. So talking about the floor wise, basement you have a home theater, then you have parking area, plus servants room, then storeroom, small storeroom for gas, and UPS room. Then if you come to ground floor, you have kitchen, living area, utility area, guest room, puja room. Then on the first floor you have one master bedroom plus utility area and balcony. So all three master bedrooms are with attached washrooms. So second floor you have one more master bedroom with attached washroom, dressing area, and both. Then on the third floor you have master bedroom with attached balcony, washroom, and dressing area. Then from there you get connected to the terrace. So we are now on the terrace. So it is built on 3050, 1500 square feet, triplex 4 BHK, modern architect, German architect it is. So talking about the locality, we are in between all the top builders. That is, you can see Brigade Caladium. Then next to it you have Godrej Woodsman, then RMZ Latitude, then Brigade Magnum. That is the bridge which you see on the airport road. Other side of that bridge you have Sahakar Nagar, and this side you have RMZ Azure, and another new Godrej project is here. So, and if you see here you have Century, then right behind that you have L&T Raintree Boulevard. That is just at 2.5 kilometers from here. Then GKVK you have, even that is 2.5 to 2.8 kilometers from here. And 850 meters you have the airport road, and this Esteem Mall also is very closer by. So all the top locations are very close by. That is Manyata Tech Park, then Hebbal, Jakkur, then GKVK, then you have Brigade Magnum. So locality wise it is very prime in Amrut Nagar, that is right very walkable distance from Amruthalli police station. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.